Did someone manifest you into a toxic relationship? Are you tired of being stuck in a toxic relationship but don't know how to break free? Discover the surprising secret to attracting positive and healthy relationships and learn how to manifest the love you truly deserve. Join me in this eye-opening video as I reveal the steps to overcoming toxicity and unlocking the power of manifestation. Get ready to be amazed at the transformative power of love. Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to Infinite Manifestations. I understand how difficult it can be to deal with toxic relationships, but let me remind you that you are in control of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and you deserve to be surrounded by positive, uplifting people. First, it's important to understand that toxic relationships can often be a manifestation of your own insecurity and fears. When we attract toxic people into our lives, it's usually because we're unconsciously seeking validation, approval, or security. If this isn't the case, it may also happen that the other person manifested you. I made a complete video on this topic. Check it out in the info card or in the video description below. However, to break the cycle of toxic relationships, you need to start by healing yourself. This means letting go of old wounds, facing your fears, and loving yourself unconditionally. I want to acknowledge the difficult and painful situation you may be experiencing. Relationships, whether romantic or not, can be challenging, and toxic relationships can have a serious impact on our mental and emotional health. When we are dealing with a toxic person, it's important to remember that we have the power to choose who we allow into our lives. While manifestation is a powerful tool, it's not meant to bring us harm or negativity. We need to make sure that we are attracting healthy and positive relationships that bring out the best in us, not the worst. So, what can you do if you find yourself in a toxic relationship and you don't want to manifest it? If the person already manifested you, the first step in breaking free from a toxic relationship is to cut ties with the toxic person. This means putting an end to all communication and interaction, no matter how difficult it may seem. While it may be tempting to try to reason with the toxic person or maintain some level of contact, it's important to remember that toxic relationships have a negative impact on our mental and emotional health. By cutting ties, we are taking a powerful step towards prioritizing our own well-being and creating a healthier, happier life. It may not be easy, but it is a necessary step towards healing and growth. When we cut ties with toxic individuals, we open up space for positive and supportive relationships to enter our lives. By prioritizing our own well-being, we are making a statement that we are worthy of love and happiness and are no longer willing to tolerate negative and harmful relationships. So, take a deep breath and take the first step towards a better life by cutting ties with the toxic person. You deserve to be happy and to attract positive and supportive relationships into your life. When it comes to freeing yourself from a toxic relationship, taking the time to focus on your own personal growth and self-care is crucial. It's a time to rediscover who you are and what you want out of life. By practicing self-love and acceptance, you will be able to heal and grow in ways you never thought possible. Self-care means taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health, and it's essential to your overall well-being. When you focus on the things that bring you joy and happiness, you will be able to start living life on your own terms. This can include hobbies, passions, and interests, or simply spending time with friends and family. Focusing on your own personal growth and happiness can help you build a stronger sense of self-worth and confidence, which will be invaluable when it comes to attracting positive and healthy relationships into your life. Remember, you are worthy of love and happiness, and taking this time to focus on yourself is an important step in the journey towards attracting the relationships you truly want. Surrounding yourself with positivity is a crucial step in attracting healthy and positive relationships into your life. When we surround ourselves with people who lift us up, support us, and encourage us to be our best selves, we open ourselves up to a world of positivity and growth. Positive relationships can help boost our confidence, inspire us to pursue our passions and dreams, and provide us with the love and support we need to navigate life's challenges. On the other hand, toxic relationships can drag us down and hold us back from reaching our full potential. By surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people, you can create a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors who will help you grow and thrive. This will not only make you a happier and more confident person, but it will also attract even more positivity and love into your life. So, make it a priority to surround yourself with positivity and watch as your life transforms for the better. Sometimes it only takes a YouTube video or a positive song that touches your heart to make a difference. If you want to learn more about manifestation, self-improvement, or let me demystify the mystical, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification on. One of the most powerful tools for attracting healthy and positive relationships is the ability to reframe your thoughts and beliefs about relationships. Our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on the relationships we attract into our lives. If we hold on to limiting beliefs and negative thoughts about relationships, we attract more of the same into our lives. On the other hand, if we cultivate positive and supportive beliefs, we open ourselves up to the possibility of attracting positive and healthy relationships. The manifestation process is all about aligning our thoughts and beliefs with what we want to attract into our lives. By paying attention to the thoughts and beliefs we have about relationships, we can identify any that may be holding us back and reframe them to be more positive and supportive. This helps us to align our thoughts and beliefs with what we truly want in a relationship. For example, if you have a belief that you are not worthy of love or that all relationships are doomed to fail, it will be challenging to attract a healthy and positive relationship. By reframing these beliefs to be more positive and supportive, such as I am worthy of love and I am capable of attracting a healthy and positive relationship, you create a more supportive and empowering mindset that can attract the kind of relationship you truly want. Reframing your thoughts and beliefs about relationships is an essential step in attracting positive and healthy relationships. By paying attention to the thoughts and beliefs that may be holding you back, you can reframe them to be more positive and supportive, aligning your thoughts and beliefs with what you truly want in a relationship. This is the key to unlocking the power of manifestation and attracting the love and happiness you deserve. Visualizing what you want is a powerful manifestation technique that can help you attract the kind of relationship you desire. When you visualize yourself in a loving, supportive, and positive relationship, you are planting the seed of that reality in your mind and projecting it into the universe. The power of visualization lies in its ability to tap into your subconscious mind and align it with your conscious desires. When you visualize regularly and with intention, you are essentially programming your mind to believe that this desired reality already exists, which in turn attracts it into your life. In order to make visualization effective, it's important to be specific and detailed in your visualizations. See yourself in the relationship, feel the love and positivity that surrounds you, and imagine yourself experiencing the joy and happiness that come with it. Hold this vision in your mind as often as possible, and allow yourself to fully immerse in the emotions and sensations of the experience. This will create a strong energy of attraction and manifestation, and help you draw the right people and experiences into your life. Remember, visualization is not just about visualizing the end result, it's about feeling the emotions and experiences that come with it. The more you can tap into these feelings, the stronger the manifestation will be. So, hold that vision of your desired relationship in your mind, and trust that it will come to you in due time. It's a powerful realization that sometimes the people who come into our lives serve as lessons for us, whether it's a lesson about love, trust, or growth. Recognizing that someone else may be a lesson for you is an important step in personal growth and understanding your own journey. By recognizing that someone may have come into your life to teach you something, you can begin to see past the pain and negativity and instead focus on the valuable lessons they bring. For example, a toxic relationship may teach you about boundaries and self-respect, or a difficult friendship may show you the importance of kindness and forgiveness. When you embrace this idea, you can view even the toughest experiences as opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of feeling defeated or broken, you can feel empowered and resilient, knowing that you can take what you've learned and use it to better your life. In the end, you can use the lessons you've learned to attract healthy and positive relationships and experiences in the future. So, embrace the idea that sometimes you are the lesson for someone else, and allow yourself to grow and evolve from the experiences that come into your life. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.